Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn symmetrical designs together, step by step. Many designs look balanced because they are symmetric. We'll find lines of symmetry and create mirror images. A line of symmetry is a fold line where both halves match exactly. Each is the mirror image of the other. Some shapes have several such lines. A rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry, a square has 4, and a circle has countless, any line through its center. Take the letter A, fold it down the middle, and the left half mirrors the right, so it has 1 line of symmetry. To recap, a line of symmetry splits a shape into matching mirror halves. Squares have 4 such lines, rectangles 2, and circles countless. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.